Hello and welcome to Laravel e-commerce. Build Laravel e-commerce web application. My name is Mohammed Javed and I will be your instructor for this course. Basically this course is divided in three main sections: the basics, the admin panel, and the shopping cart. Right after just finishing the basics, we'll be moved to our front end of our project. Basically the front end part contains many things such as the user registration, login, and add to cart functionality. Right, we can just add the products to our cart and we can just remove them, and say for letter functionality and updating the quantity of the product, and we can just proceed to checkout. And we're just using this Stripe payment, and once if we fill the form, right, and we can just check out, right. Basically we are just using Stripe payment here, and we can also see our details in our admin panel, and a user profile can check their details as well, right, and the product information and order information, all this stuff. Okay, if we just go to login or in our admin panel, basically that provides us a way so we can just see our products, right. In admin panel it contains dashboard, add product, view product, and users, and many things, right. And we can just check the orders and order details, and we can just confirm order from admin panel, and inside user tab we can just check the user details and then all this stuff, right, according or the user. And then we can just view products, we can delete them, we can edit them, and we can even check the details of the product, right, and all the functionality and the validation is also included in this project, right. So what are you waiting for? I think it's time to join this course to learn fastest growing PHP framework Laravel, and I'll see you in the course.